Millions of people invest in the stock market without really understanding what it is, and that is a problem. Because when you don't understand something, you either avoid it completely or you make fear-based decisions that cost you money. Today, that changes. In the next few minutes, you're going to understand exactly how the stock market works, in plain English, with no jargon and no confusion. By the end, you'll know what stocks actually are, how prices move, why the market goes up over time, and the 3 most common beginner mistakes to avoid. Let's start with the most important question of all. A stock is simply a small ownership slice of a real company. When you buy 1 share of Apple, you actually own a tiny piece of Apple. You're a shareholder, literally. That's what the word means. The stock market is just the place where these ownership slices are bought and sold. Think of it like a giant marketplace, but instead of fruit and vegetables, people are trading ownership stakes in thousands of businesses. When a company wants to raise money to grow, it can list itself on a stock exchange and sell shares to the public. That listing event is called an IPO, Initial Public Offering. Once listed, anyone can buy or sell those shares during market hours. So when you invest in the stock market, you're not gambling. You're buying ownership in real businesses. Businesses that earn revenue, hire staff, and build products people use every day. Here's where most people get confused. Stock prices change by the second, and it feels random. But there's logic underneath it. Prices move based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price rises. If more people want to sell than buy, the price falls. What drives that demand? Mostly 2 things: company performance and investor expectations. If a company reports strong profits, investors get optimistic. Demand rises. Price goes up. If results disappoint, or if bad news hits, people sell. Price drops. Over the short term, prices can be driven by fear, greed, rumors, even social media trends. That's why day traders lose money. They're trying to predict human emotion. Over the long term, though, prices tend to follow one thing: actual business value. That's why patient, long-term investors consistently win. Here's the big picture. The U.S. stock market, the S&P 500, has averaged roughly 10% per year over the last 100 years. Not every year. Some years it drops 20 or 30%, but on average, over long periods, it goes up. Why? Because the companies in the market keep growing. They keep innovating, hiring, expanding, and earning more profit. Over time, those profits lift share prices. The key insight is this: the market rewards patience. An investor who stayed fully invested in the S&P 500 from 1990 to 2020 turned $10,000 into over $170,000, even through 3 major crashes. An investor who tried to time the market and missed just the 20 best trading days? They ended up with less than $40,000. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every time. Before you invest a single dollar, avoid these 3 mistakes. Mistake 1. Treating investing like gambling. Picking individual hot stocks based on tips or trends is speculation, not investing. Start with diversified index funds instead. Mistake 2. Panic selling during crashes. Markets drop regularly, sometimes severely. But every single crash in history has eventually recovered and reached new highs. Selling in a panic locks in your loss permanently. Mistake 3. Waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The best time to start is now. The second best time is also now. If you want to take your first step, watch our Index Fund Investing series. Link is in the description. And if this video helped you, subscribe. We post daily finance content to help you build real wealth step by step.